Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's M Ishaq again from ELearnLodhran. Now I'm going to start the lesson 5, that is a poem written by W.H. Davies. Its title is Tareen. First of all, I will read out the stanzas, then I will try to translate into Urdu. After that, I will solve the solution. Exercise. I hear leaves drinking rain, I hear rich leaves on top give the poor beneath, drop after drop. It's sweet nice to hear these green leaves drinking near. And when the sun comes out after this rain shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. I hope the sun shines bright, it will be a lovely sight. So I will translate the first stanza then into Urdu. I hear leaves drinking rain, I hear rich leaves on top. मैंने देखा है या सुना है बहुत सारे पत्तों को बारिश के पानी से नहाते हुए. I hear rich leaves on top, और मैंने बहुत सारे दरख्तों के पत्तों को बुलंदी पर देखा है. Giving the poor beneath, और वो नीचे वाले जो पत्ते हैं वो किस तरीके से पानी को पीते हैं, ये पानी से नहाते हैं. ड्रॉप आफ्टर ड्रॉप, कतरे के बाद कतरा. इट्स स्वीट नाइस टू हेयर, उनसे बारिश के पानी के गिरते हुई खूबसूरत आवाज़ को सुनना कितना अच्छा लगता है. दीज ग्रीन लीव्स ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, ये सरसब्ज और शादाब पत्ते किस तरीके से पानी में नहलाते हैं. इन दिस वेरी फर्स्ट स्टैंजा द पोएट हैज़ compared the poor and the rich. I hear leaves drinking rain. It means that the rich peoples are enjoying each and every necessity and the facility of life. I hear it leaves on the top, and many rich people are on the top and they are enjoying each and everything, while the poor are going downtrodden and downtrodden. Giving the poor beneath, drop after drop, each and every facility has been enjoyed by the rich, but the poor are going down and down. It's sweet noise to hear, so it can be a sweet, it can be an honorable, it can be a very wonderful sight when the rich people will start supporting the poor. These green leaves drinking near, so when the rich will support the poor, then a feelings of appreciation and feeling of love will arise. In this poem, in this very stanza, the poet had narrated, poet had used metaphors and similes. Here, the leaves and the rain is used as metaphor. Coming to the next stanza, and when the sun comes out, जैसे ही सूरज तलू होता है, after the rain shall stop, जैसे ही बारिश रुकती है, सूरज तलू होता है, सूरज निकलता है. A wondrous light will fill, एक शानदार कुमकुमा या रोशनी जो है उस कमी को पूरा कर देती है. Each dark round drop, हर अंधेरे के बाद एक खूबसूरत उम्मीद की किरण पैदा होती है. I hope the sun shines bright, मुझे उम्मीद है कि जैसे सूरज चमकता है, and it will be a lovely sight, और ये कैसा ही मंजर होगा, खूबसूरत मंजर होगा. So then the next stanza, the poet in fact tells us about the very fact that when a feeling of supporting the rich, supporting the poor by the rich comes out, it is just like a light that comes after the rain, and it is just like a rainbow-like beautiful feelings. And thank you very much. It is the translation of the poem that is from written by W.H. Davies. Thank you very much. So nice of you. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to start the solution of the exercise, and I will start from the page 57. Give the antonyms of the each given word and make sentence with both words. Rich. The antonyms of this word is poor, top, bottom, below, near, far, light, dim, bright, brinky, noise, silence. So next exercise is page 58. See which connotation is more positive. Our trip, question number 1, our trip to Keora Mines was, option is fine, wonderful. Our trip to Keora Mines was wonderful. Question 2, dash people rode on the roller coaster. Okay, the brave people rode on the roller coaster. Question 3, we saw animal in the zoo. We saw fascinating animal in the zoo. Question 4, some of the monkeys made dash faces. Some of the monkeys made amusing faces. 5, everyone had a dash on his or her face on the way home. Everyone had a smile on his or her face on the way to home. So the next one is, give the synonyms of the following words. Shine, to bright, to blink. Bright, shine, beautiful. Noise, noise means hustle and bustle. Each and everything, when there is a hustle and bustle, and where there that is come, that is related to noise. Lovely, fascinating, and beautiful. So the next option is, answer the following question. What does the poet hear? The poet hear the beautiful sounds of the falling of the water, of the rainwater. The next one question is, what according to the poet is a sweet noise? The sweet noise which comes in fact when the rain falls on the leaves of the tree. Question number 3, what will happen after the rain stops? When the rain stops, then the sun comes out in the sky. Question number 4, how does the sun comes out after the rain? The sun come in after the rain is stopped, just like a rainbow. Question number 5, how does the light fill the drop? The light in fact fill the drop, and the drops look like the pearls and shines beautifully. What makes the scene lovely? When the light falls on the drops of the water, and the drops shines brightly, and they look beautifully, and the scenes look so beautifully. Thank you very much. This is the exercise of this very chapter, the poem, and thank you very much. So nice of you, and I hope you will follow that, understand that. Thank you very much.